Ika nga nila, the fruit does not fall far from the tree. Kaya the perfect example mga kaibigan, to illustrate my point, kasama po natin ngayon ang dalawang PSI graduate. Kasama po natin si Miss Sharon Ke, isang napakagandang binibini, at kasama naman ang kanyang equally good-looking na partner na si Mr. or make that Doc John Abakin. I understand matagal na po kayong mag-partners, ano? How long na po ang partnership nyo?
Magkasama kami as partners mga 8 years na.
I understand pareho po kayong graduate ng PSI basic training saka ng ng Star Shooters and also the Heroic Training Program.
Yeah, but before Heroic and Shooters, nag-basic kami. But nauna si Sharon sa akin sa basic. So ako, after 1 month, I had my basic. I think it was 2003. Right now, I'm not practicing anymore. I have several businesses.
Doc John, you're a doctor. Pero at one point, you stopped your practice. Kailan po kayo nag-decide na tumigil sa inyong practice as a doctor?
Actually, yung medicine kasi hindi ko siya through choice. I was forced by my mom, and luckily through the PSI seminar, I learned about my value, which is freedom and creativity. So, doon ko na-practice yung pagka-creative ko. Ako nag-design ng logo ng PSI. Tapos, after knowing that I really love freedom, I decided to quit my job, yung day job ko. So I now have my own business and I work on my own time.
Ms. Sharon, being the president and all of that, how do you manage to balance things?
Turo din yun sa PSI, no, that you're in control of your life. You're in control of the time, not time controlling you. So, ganun lang, just making priorities and making time kung gusto kong gawin yung isang bagay.
I understand, meron pa kayo isang business, yung I Am Pilipinas.
Yeah, that's John's business.
Yeah, yung I Am Pilipinas. This is it. These are trigger devices, mga successories kung ang tawag namin dito mga successories. These ones are stickers kasi we believe that if you keep on saying to yourself, I am happy, I'm positive. Para bang to think is to create. That's one of the philosophies of the PSI seminar. So,
positive,
which I really, yeah. And then, yun na nga, dahil nga sa seminar, I channeled my creativity. I discovered my creativity. So, I decided to design this stickers. Plus, meron siyang vision board. Yan. So, every day, I look at my vision board. I want to become a billionaire. So yun, so it's more of a it's a more of a positive, para bang positive thinking. So this is available now, and if you're interested, you just email me or text me about it.
Ano pong maaasahan nila before silang pumasok? Ano sila before sila pumasok at ano naman po sila after silang mag-undergo ng mga training programs?
After taking the seminar, yung relationship ko with everybody, nag-improve talaga. I'm living a stress-free life, more joyful, looking at life more excited every day. Tapos, sa business naman, after attending the seminar, nakuha ko lahat ng gusto ko sa real estate. We started with 56 houses in Batangas, for their apartment, now a building in España. All that because of taking the 3 seminars of PSI.
With PSI, before, I used to be plastic. Pag tinatanong ako ng mga tao, lagi kong sagot, wow. So after PSI, I learned to be honest, open, and trusting. So tawag nga nila sa akin, Dr. John Hot Abakin. So honest is, I became honest with myself, with what I really value most, and then open ako. I became open to all the possibilities. Yun ang mahirap kasi before ang dami kong prejudgment. So na yun, by being open, I became more patient and understanding of people. And the last one is trusting. I become trusting with my peers, my parents, my family, my friends, and I think it really helped me a lot. By attending PSI seminar.
We communicate more easily. Kung meron akong papagawa sa kanya or meron papagawa sa akin, mas mabilis yung pag-uusap namin. Pag hindi kami nagkakaintindihan, nagsasabi kami, hindi yung bit-bit namin yun for several days. Parang right there and then, sasabihin namin, parang hindi maganda to, ito na lang kaya gawin natin. Mabilis yung usapan namin. Hindi, sabi nga niya, di ba, hindi na siya plastic. So, ganun kami mag-usap, hot.
I hope you don't get me wrong, PSI is not a magic pill. So if you take the seminar, baka maging Mother Teresa ka na or you become the Pope. Hindi po ganun yon. It's really up to you. Bottom line sa akin, I learned how to, I became more aware of my programs kasi madami po tayong positive tsaka negative programs. So yung pagka-aware ko sa positive programs ko, mas nabawasan ko yung negative programs ko at napalitan ko ng positive programming. Para din yung computer. So, it would take years of being aware kasi dapat mahuli mo yung sarili mo eh. Kasi sometimes, a lot of us, masyado nang ingrain yung pagka-negativity sa atin, hindi na natin alam, nagiging parang, ano na yun, para bang our usual self. So, after attending the seminar, I really became aware of becoming more positive. So that's really a challenge and exciting, and it would take a short time or a long time. It really depends on the person, on how he applies the principles of the seminar to himself. Nag-meet talaga kami ni Sharon noon right after our basic. Siya yung volunteer staff. Tapos tama-tama, nag-offer yung PSI ng Heroic Seminar, which is para bang a higher level of seminar. It's a 7-day live-in seminar. So, doon kami naging classmate. Tapos after that, because of that seminar, we really discovered our potential and doon kami nag-partner and then doon kami nag-start sa aming real estate business. For 7 years, tapos na yon, on the 8th year, we started naman branching into billboards.
Naging teammates din kami sa Star Shooters. Pareho naming goal ang passive income. Passive income, if you're not familiar, that's your income without really working. Yun. So,
working
mostly real estate yun. Yun nga. So, nasabi ko kanina, we started with houses in the provinces. Tapos, ngayon, may building na sa Espanya, sa baba, commercial, sa taas, dormitory. And then, tuloy-tuloy, di ba sabi ko din, pagka once a star shooter, always a star shooter. So, after namin ng isang goal, yung next goal naman, ngayon, nasa billboards naman kami.
Yung Star Shooters program, it's another higher level seminar of PSI. It's a 90-day goal-setting seminar na may mga coaches kami. Nabanggit nga ni Sharon, dun sa shooters na yon, doon namin ginol yung aming building. Talagang for 90 days, we work on that. And then, ang nakakatawa dun sa seminar na yon, after the shooters, if you're able to reach your goal, you can apply as a coach. Yung coach naman, ikaw naman yung magko-coach dun sa mga bagong players.
Okay, para naman po sa ating mga televiewers na naghahanap ng balanse sa kanilang buhay, ano pong mga numbers ang pwede nilang tawagan o kaya email address o website na pwede po nilang puntahan just in case they want to achieve yung ganitong balanse at ma-avail ang inyong services at makuha po or mag-undergo ng programs?
Our landline is 621-6132 and you can contact us sa mobile at 0917-723-1976. And sa website naman, psileadership.org.
Marami pong salamat mga kaibigan sa inyo pong panonood sa ating segment na ito. Magbabalik po kami.
Partner, nakaka 30 minutes na pala tayo, no?
Well, talagang ganoon. Time flies so fast when we're having fun.
Grabe, partner. Ang dami ko na namang natutunan ngayon.
Oh, of course. Siyempre, with PSI talagang mababalanse ang buhay mo at mababalanse ang time management mo at kung ano-ano pa regarding your life.
Nakaka-inspire yung mga sinasabi nila kanina.
True. Alam na ng mga viewers natin ang contact numbers ng PSI and I'm sure gusto rin nilang malaman kung anong contact numbers ng Gintong Uhay. Ano nga ba, partner?
Siyempre, for any comments or suggestions, please feel free to email us at gintonguhay13@yahoo.com and gintonguhay@gmail.com. At sa Facebook naman, like nyo lang kami, gintonguhay13@yahoo.com.
Tama, partner. Marami pa tayong matututunan na iba't ibang useful information dito lamang po sa kakaibang biyahe ng buhay. Dito lang sa
Gintong Uhay, tungo sa masayang buhay!